Yeah, I mean, this is really like the million-dollar question, right? Is how do we really approach these cloud migration efforts? And I think there's a few keys to this. And first is really having clarity around what you're trying to accomplish by undertaking this effort, and having tangible outcomes that you're expecting from it. Whether it's improving customer satisfaction with some government service that you offer digitally, or whether it's improving cost efficiencies or increasing availability, but being specific about what those outcomes expected are of this effort, that will give you a good framework, or it will frame the challenge that you have and drive you to the right kinds of solutions. And then I think the other part is really understanding where you really are, and where are you in terms of what infrastructure you currently have. It's understanding what governance models you have in place, and then the workforce that you have and what skill sets they have, and then what your partner ecosystem can bring to the table to help you accomplish that. So for example, if you're starting with an aging infrastructure, it may make more sense to take a look at more of a wholesale movement to public cloud as opposed to investing a lot in that aging infrastructure. On the other hand, if you've just invested in a private cloud and it's state of the art, then maybe you wouldn't necessarily want to just move everything into public cloud. And then on the application side itself, it's really understanding what that application's purpose is, how it enables the mission or the service or the business, and then understanding what it consists of top to bottom, everything from the technologies in the application layer all the way down to the facilities. And then what you can do is you can do analysis of using various technologies and various cloud service providers to build a business case to show what are the likely outcomes depending on the strategy that you adopt. And at SAIC, we use a lot of tools to automate a lot of this process. So it sounds like it could be long and tedious and onerous, but by automating it, it actually that analysis can be performed, pretty quickly.